Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change screen timeout in Windows 11. Let's get this guys. Go to search menu and type settings. In setting, find a setting. Go to type sleep, power, sleep and battery setting. You can save battery by screensaver, screen timeout, screen of my after when plugged in, turn off my screen after. You can change it 5 hours or never. It will uh, sleep it sleep screen. You can save battery life in laptop, and that's it. Put my device to sleep after this is going to lock screen. If you want to never, go to lock screen, put on never, or it needs to go to lock screen in 15 minutes. That's okay for me. That's it for today's tutorial guys. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video guys. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you.